Hi guys, this is Maneesha here. Let's make a leaf cane today. It's in bright colors of souffle and primo colors. I'm making this for a friend, so I mixed colors matching to her dress. First I mixed red and magenta pearl together. Now I am mixing green and sea glass. Once manual mixing is done, pass it through the pasta machine and make the sheets. Then turn the green colored clay into a log. My cane is a miniature one. If you want to make big canes, you should take more clay. And for the mini cane, I am using the magenta sheet, very thin form, like number 5 or 6. Like that you can take. So this one is really thin. Place the half of that green log into the thin sheet we made and cut it according to the shape. We have to make more of these sections similar way. Leaf cane is very simple and basic cane. Whoever can make it, it need not to be very professional. It's a beginner kind of cane. We should place one piece of magenta color of clay sheet in each section between green colored clay. So we will get a striped kind of pattern. These magenta lines are veins to the leaf. Now we have to cut it in half as you see. Again we are placing magenta clay in between those two parts. Turn one piece other way so that you will get a pattern like this. You should be careful how you place that second half. You can already see the leaf kind of pattern now. We have to press gently and pinch it to the proper leaf shape. Now we have to cover the outer side of this leaf. Initially I thought I will cover with the same magenta mix, but now I'm thinking to change it to 18K gold Primo clay. Because adding gold color layer matches exactly with her dress color. Trim all unwanted edges of gold color clay. take your own time to make the perfect one. I believe in crafting I'm pretty fast enough, but some people may be little slow. So it's all depend on how you want to do. The basic steps are done. Now I'm reducing the cane to small size. To reduce the length of video, I'm making it into fast. Apply even pressure to everywhere. If you give a little more pressure one side, other side is least pressure, then your cane will be distorted. So do with gentle hands. Our cane is almost ready. I'll be using these canes in the projects. Keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, leave your suggestions, leave your opinions. Anything you can write down in the comment section. I will be replying soon to each and everybody. Obviously clay related stuff. See, this is how we made the cane. Each slice of the cane should be identical. You can see that. I'm showing some example. I'm gonna show you how to make a charm from these canes, so you will get an idea how to use it. I'm sandwiching a pin between two slices of leaf cane. Press all the sides gently to make them join very well. Then you can smooth the edges if you need more. I'm using a toothpick, my fingers, and even you can drag more lines on the leaves to give an organic look. You can use needle or a wire or scalpels, anything for giving more impressions on the leaves. Bake according to the package directions, and then your charms are ready to use. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.